Hey guys, we've just got the fuel water separator lights come on the dash. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to drain the water from the fuel filter underneath the car. I'll give you a little rundown. Don't do it if you're not mechanically minded. Just take it down to the workshop, whatever. They'll probably do it for you for, I don't know, hopefully for free, but you know, workshops, they don't usually do free stuff. So that's the light there, that red one. So that just means that the water in the fuel, there's a little separator, because diesel does have a bit of water in it. It's not as clean as other fuels, especially when we just finished the Gibb River Road. So we've been putting some pretty crappy fuel in. So I'll show you how to drain that. It's been pouring with rain at the campsite. So I've just decided to give the car a wash. Actually had a wash bay here. And for those of you who are angry about my dashboard, I've just cleaned the whole dashboard, because I know you will comment, that person, you know who you are, mate, will comment about how dirty the dashboard was. I just finished the Gibb River Road. Yes, the dash is dirty. Yes, the whole car's dirty. Now we're going to go underneath, so it's probably dirty under there now too. But yeah, I'll show you how to drain this water. Okay, now we're underneath the car. Right on the left-hand side, you'll see your fuel filter here. Yeah, fuel filter housing, hanging in the worst spot you could possibly think of. Thank God I haven't broken that while being forward driving. Now I hope this light's okay, and I hope you can see it alright, because I can't really test this. It's not something you can really do twice. Okay, so just get your kid's sand bucket underneath, yeah? I'll try to set this light up a little bit better. Anyway, there we go. Get your kid's little sand bucket underneath. Grab your hand and twist this little donkey, yeah? Now, as I loosen this, it's going to start dripping out some water. Watch that. Look how much water's coming out. Might be a bit of fuel as well, but anyway, that's geez, she was filled up. Very nice. We'll give that a good drain. It's draining good. All into your bucket. Most of it's going in the bucket. You guys don't see any of me spilling. I'm not spilling that. Oh, that's just fuel coming out now. So I'll tighten that back up. Now, I reckon that I've drained that water. Yeah, because that's all fuel over my hands now. So once you just start getting fuel coming out, you know the water's all gone. All right, let's hop inside and make sure that's cleared the light. All right, I'm back in the car now. I haven't done that before, but you know, they're all generically pretty much the same. Drain it out. There was some water that came out. I probably drained a bit of fuel out. Let's start it up and see if that cleared my light. So remember, it was that red light up there. Please service your car. Yeah, no worries, mate. I will. That flashing light there is because I have no tyre pressure sensors in my wheels. That's my own fault. The dealer in Darwin I'm going to very shortly is going to clear that for me. But looking at that, she's all cleared up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that helps somebody. If you get that light on and you're in the middle of the nowhere, pull over, turn the car off, maybe let it cool down a little bit. Probably not, it's probably fine. Don't drain it onto anything hot like the exhaust. Make sure you got a little catch thingy. Disclaimer, not an instructional video, just showing you what I do. Not instructional. I don't condone you working on your car at all. Nor will I be held responsible. Go do an apprenticeship, become a mechanic, or take it to a workshop. Here we go, happy days. Car is fixed.